les classes, aujourd'hui on va faire mathématiques de géographie. Mathématiques de géographie. Et là on a les trois statuts. On a, je vous dire, alors vous dire, A plus 1 est égal à quoi? Ça égale à 2. Non, ça égale pas à 2. Je marche sur le résultat. Le résultat, c'est bébé A. Tu vois, regarde. On a le papa A plus le maman A, ça fait bébé A. Ok? Cheese. Le deuxième, 8 moins 4 était de la combien classe? Ok, personne va dire le résultat. Ça égale à 8. On enlève 4 et voilà. On enlève 4, on est plus, ça égale à 8. D'accord? Ça, c'est le méthode de Jaffi. Ensuite, alors ça, on ne jouait pas. 2 plus 7. 2 plus C. Et il y a combien de classes? What the? Mais c'est genre ce calcul. C'est genre l'actu, Jaffi, tu vois pas? Personne ici pas. Allez, je marque. Ça égale à 3. Regarde. Là, on a 2. Et là, tu as ici, c'est 2. Et je vais C, ça fait 3. Donc, c'est 3. Ça, c'est méthode des filles. Et là, on va faire le méthode de Basel Junior. Ensuite, c'est une méthode de mathématiques de Junior. Tom plus Ma était là quoi? Je dois te dire rien. Thomas. Donc, tu sais, bah, t'es en fait là, on a To et Ma. Ça fait Thomas. C'est le tra Thomas, c'est mon jeu préféré. Allez, t'es dans la suite, t'as juste. Alors, tu sais, on va ressigner un peu dit. Thomas. Voilà. Ok, donc j'ai fait. T'arrives avec. 42 plus 0. C'est. Oh putain, c'est un vrai rampant. Vas-y. C'est pas Saint-Étienne. Si, c'est Saint-Étienne. Je marque Saint-Étienne du jeu. Je suis à descendre. Je vais mettre S. Non, pas Q. Je vais mettre S. Et ça, moi je veux. C'est bon, je suis parti. Il y a la Saint-Étienne. 15 moins 70, c'était la combien là? Je sais pas. Et ben ça égale à ça. C'est bon. Allez, je titre ça. Ok, classe, on va faire tout. Allez, oh, il y a l'incendie. Allez, tout le monde ça. Il y a l'incendie, oui. Je tombe de table. Ça va être quoi l'incendie? Ça c'est vrai. Ah ouais, dude. Les élèves, ils s'arrêtent bientôt. Une minute plus tard. Ah bah on peut rentrer, youpi! Des classes. Il y a là, l'incendie c'était pour Merler. Voilà. Donc on va regarder échelles pour mettre. Voilà. Et vous entendez ce vidéo-là. Allez, je vais le mettre. Attends, je vais le mettre.
What? A test already? Oh no, dude, I did not study. Glad I studied. I always pay attention to the teacher, not like you slackers. Cody, I want to flip your table, but there's a class under here. Cody, is there any way you could help us with the test? Yeah, Cody, like, can you like, give us the answers or something? Okay, look, well, I'll help you with the answer somehow, alright? Yes. Thank you, Cody. You're gonna help us cheat with the test. Junior, don't yell it out. Did I heard cheating? It's Cody. He wants to cheat on the test and asking me for questions. Yeah, Teach. Me and Junior, we've been studying all day long and all day weekend. And he goes behind us and says, "Can we get the questions?" What? You backstabbers! Choo-choo! Oh, dude, why do I always have to be the lame characters? Wait, is it because I'm black? What? No, I just don't want you to touch any of them. Okay, dude, this just sounds like discrimination. No, it's not discrimination. Okay, look, I'll let you play with something. Wait, where's Cody? Dude, we got him in trouble. Wait, now I remember. Well, it can't be that bad, right? I'm back, and you fuckers are in a bunch of trouble. Oh, hi, Cody. We're sorry. Well, I'm fucking sorry. It's not gonna work that way. Dude, why are you so mad? Oh, because two people decided to lie on me. Look, Cody, we're so sorry. Can you still help us with the test? Well, I don't think I can because I switched our seats. What? Who are you sitting next to? They made me switch seats with Penelope. With Penelope? Oh man, dude. Is there something that you can do to help us? I'm not gonna risk it. If they see me sitting next to each other or talking to you guys, they're gonna make me switch classes. What? Switch classes? No. We're not letting that happen, Cody. But dude, we still need help. Oh, what's another way that you can help us? I got it. Cody, how about you just well, as soon as they give you the test, you see all the answers, and then you write them. You write all the answers on another piece of paper, make it a ball, and then throw it to us. But Junior, what happens if we get caught? You're not blaming me this time, aren't you? Okay, look, this time I'll take the blame. You promise? I promise. All right, class, welcome to testing day. I'm gonna give you all your papers, and then we can start the test. Here we go, Joseph and Junior. Now, do not play with me. You guys are guilty on cheating, okay? All right, you two. I don't want any copying or any sneaking, all right? With that being said, start the test. Oh, dude, I'm gonna fail. Don't worry, Joseph. Cody's working on that page. Okay, first question. Okay, that's an A. Question's a B. Hey, Cody, are you done? Okay, done. You owe me for this one, Junior. Thank you, Cody. Oh yeah, lay an egg. Junior! What is that? Cody, it's yours! Dude, what needs? Cody's yours. Why you want this back? Uh-oh. You're trying to cheat against that, you! That's it, what? Dude, Cody's switching classes! Oh, what? And I didn't even get my answers! Alright, class, because you're all trying to cheat on this stupid-ass test, I'm rescheduling the test for tomorrow. Cody's switching classes, and you guys are in a bunch of trouble. Joseph, you think Cody's in a bunch of trouble? Dude, what do you mean? We made him switch classes. Oh, that's even worse, because they rescheduled the test for tomorrow. We have to do the test tomorrow, Cody's gonna be switching classes. Turn your motherfucker, you made me switch classes! Oh, hey Cody, I'm sorry. Oh, I'm sorry. That's all you can give me? I'm not happy with the testing. Come on, Cody, there's something that we can do. No, Junior, this is not gonna work out anymore. Come on, dude, you're the smart one. Well, even if I try to help, there's nothing that I can do. We're gonna be in different classes. Ooh, how about a video call? Junior, we can't have any devices out. Oh man. Okay. All right, guys, let's come up with stuff. Now, yesterday we had to quit the test because someone was trying to cheat by sending notes. So you know what? We move him to another class. Now, if you excuse me, let's continue with the test. Here we go.
Désolé les élèves. Désolé les élèves, ça va juste un peu. C'est la pub.
Oh, Joseph and Junior.
C'est bon.
Hi, Cody. My name is Gustavo, and I'm your teacher's ex. So, welcome to your other class. We're gonna be staying here for tests only. So, just expect not to cheat. We're gonna be watching.
Oh, dude, without Cody, we're gonna fail.
Don't worry, Joseph. I got everything under control. Alright, where's my phone? Alright, better get started. Who's calling? Oh, it's probably yours playing.
Alright, Cody, this is gotta work.
Junior, this is not going to work. They're gonna hear us.
Okay, what's the first answer?
Okay.
No phones allowed!
Alright, plan B.
Alright, Cody, this is another way to contact.
Junior, I don't know why you choose plan B to be contact through Fortnite.
This is the best way to contact, through Fortnite.
Alright, well, let's hurry things up. I don't think the teacher likes what I'm doing. Man, he's so sexy. Okay, alright, first question is...
Junior, why do you have a Nintendo Switch out?
Oh shit, they copied. Oh no.
Oh no. Joseph, what are the ideas? How are we gonna get the answers for the test? Oh man, dude, I think I got an idea. What is it?
Should pretend you have something. I got it.
Teacher, I'm dying. Help.
Oh, this is the third time a student dies in the school. Okay, what's wrong with you?
He has asthma, you gotta help him.
Oh, I see. Where's that one box that you suck of it?
Cody has it. I gave it to him last night, but I wasn't expecting you to have this.
Okay, fine. I'll bring the other student so he could give you that suck box thing, whatever.
Cody, you have 25 minutes to finish that test.
Okay, who's calling? Hello? Okay. Hey Cody, your friend is having an asthma thing. It says that you have it, so you go give it back. What? We never planned this. What? This is the hard. What? I don't have that thing. Okay, fine.
Don't worry, someone's gonna get your time.
Okay, here it is.
Wait, Cody, where you actually get this? I was just pretending.
I stole it for someone. Okay, just take it.
Okay then.
Yeah, so it's better now. Okay, Cody, you can stay here. But Junior, I have to go back to class. Look, just hurry the fuck up and pretend you have something so you can stay here. And what could I pretend to have so I can stay here? Oh, I got it.
Oh man, thank you, Cody. You got us A+ both.
Well, at least you guys are happy. I'm not. I literally failed because I left the class.
Oh, we're sorry, dude. Well, I gotta go home. I'm out of here, dude.
I swear to God, I'm not helping you with any tests anymore. God. Well, I guess that's fine. We're not having any more tests until maybe next week. Oh well.
Classe. Donc c'est la fin des cours. Allez, au revoir.